What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. Now today I'll be showing you how I make this delicious chocolate mocha cake. So let's get started. So guys, today's video is sponsored by Javy Coffee. They sent me this coffee concentrate. It's micro dosage. So guys, it's quick, simple and easy to use. No need to put on your pot to brew your coffee. Just 2 teaspoons of this coffee concentrate and you are ready to go. So let's get started on the cake. So to my bowl, I'm gonna add 3/4 cup flour. And guys, I will leave everything I'm using down in the description box. So I'm gonna add some cocoa powder to this, some baking powder, a pinch of salt, I'm just going to give this a quick whisk. Now we're going to work on the liquid. So to this jar, I'm going to add my sugar, some warm milk, some vegetable oil, and some vanilla. And of course, because Javy coffee is here, we're going to be using about 2 teaspoons of this in my mixture, because coffee makes chocolate taste better. Does that make sense? All right, yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. Coffee makes chocolate taste more deeper and richer. So I'm just going to give this a good stir. And I'm just going to combine my dry and my wet ingredient together. It's just that simple, guys. And guys, we'll be making this cake in the microwave. Yes, guys. Quick, simple and easy dessert any time of day, anytime you feel like. And always, you could double the recipe and you could cut it in half depending on what your preference is at the time. You could do whatever you please. I'm just going to give this a good mix, and then I'm just going to pour it into a bowl and cook this in my microwave for 3 minutes. And depending on your microwave, you might need more time or less time, but I cooked mine for 3 minutes. Now my cake is out of the oven and I'm going to test with a toothpick, and you can see here it's nice and baked. Now I'm going to remove it from the baking dish and allow it to cool completely, because we'll be using whipped cream and we have to make sure that it's fully cool or else the whipped cream will melt. Look at that beauty, guys. Now we're going to work on our whipped cream. So to my bowl, I'm going to add about a cup of heavy cream. Now to this, I'm going to add some powdered sugar and some vanilla extract, and of course my Javy coffee concentrate. because we're making coffee cake. And we're going to whisk until we have nice stiff peaks, because we want to be able to pipe this. And as for the sweetener, you could add how much or how little you like. And this coffee whipped cream right here is versatile. You could also add this to your cup of coffee in the morning and you're all set. Now the cake is cool. It's time for me to frost this, and this can be served for at least 3 people, or if you're greedy like me, it's just 1 serving. I'm just kidding. No, you could do this for 2 or 3 persons. And look at that moist chocolate cake, guys. And this cake is meant to be enjoyed just as it is finished, because we're adding whipped cream, and if it sits for too long it will melt. So if you want it to be a little bit more sturdy, you could go ahead and add some icing sugar and all of that, but I want to keep it light and fluffy. And I'm going to go ahead and dollop some of the whipped cream on top. Now I'm going to just drizzle with some chocolate syrup. And there you have it, my beautiful people. Our delicious cake is ready in under 10 minutes, guys. Guys, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more amazing recipe like this one, hit the subscription button, turn on the post notification bell so you never miss any of my upload. And if you want your own Javy coffee concentrate, I will leave a code down in the description box, so you could click on it to get 15% off your Java coffee concentrate. Until then, my beautiful people, I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.